Hello everyone. So welcome to one more video on inventory valuation, and this one is nothing different. It's just the same concept what we were discussing in this playlist in the earlier videos. So you can right away pause this video, look at the question and try to solve it yourself, before comparing with my answers. You try yourself and get the solution, and then you can compare with my answer. Anyway, let's continue. So let's look at this question. Zhu Boards sells snowboard expert that is popular with snowboard enthusiasts. The following information relates to Zhu's purchases. So of expert snowboard during September. So this is for the September month. Normally this kind of thing happens for yearly basis, but in this it is monthly, but it's okay. The procedure is same. During the same month, 121 expert snowboards were sold. Okay, so here you have to be very careful. See, the number of boards sold is given here. So if you look at the other problem, so like here, what is saying is if 9,000 units are on hand at December 31. So for a similar kind of problem, sometimes they give the inventory. 9,000 units are on the hand, the closing inventory or ending inventory. In this case, the sales are given. Okay, so this 121 is not the inventory, it is a sales. Zeus uses a periodic inventory system, so compute the inventory and cost of goods sold. So these are the questions. So simply here they are saying ending inventory and cost of goods sold using FIFO and average cost methods. So obviously we will do three methods. Right now FIFO and average are asked. We will do LIFO also. Okay, so let's do FIFO method first. Okay, so now first of all we have to find the ending inventory. Okay, so what is ending inventory? By the way, this is the formula. So this is open beginning inventory plus purchases minus sales. Okay, so you take the beginning inventory, add all your purchases and remove the sales, then you will get the ending inventory, obviously, right? So your 23 was your beginning inventory, 45, 20, these are all purchases. So total, the first two terms is 132 minus sales. Okay, what is your sales? So sales is given here. During the same month, 121 snowboards were sold. Okay, so minus 121. So this difference is 11. Okay, so 132 minus 121 is 11. So your ending inventory is only 11 units. Now you need to evaluate these 11 units. Okay, so now let's go for FIFO, FIFO, cost of ending inventory. So that will be simply now which one you have to take first in first out. That means the initial 23 is sold, 45 is sold, like that. Whatever is remaining is the last one. Out of this 44, 11 are remaining. 1050 is the cost. So 11 into 1050. And that will be 11 into 1050. So I'm getting 11550. Okay, so this is HK dollar. Okay, so this is the cost of ending inventory in the case of FIFO. Now how do you find the cost of goods sold? See, simply you take the total cost. The total cost of the inventory is 135,210. From that you subtract this, you will be getting. So that is 135,210 minus 11550, and you will be getting. Okay, so this subtraction will do 135,210 minus 11550. Okay, I'm getting 123,660 HK dollar as the answer. Okay, so this is the FIFO method. Okay, so now let's do LIFO method, last in first out method. So in last in first out method, cost of ending inventory. So this will be nothing but whatever 11 units are there. So last in first out. Okay, that means whatever is last in 44, these are sold first, and so on, like that. So out of this 23, 11 is less than 23, so we will be taking at the cost of 970. Okay, so 11 into 970, so I'll be getting So 10,670 HK dollar. Now cost of goods sold, COGS, is nothing but total cost of inventory, 135210 given in the question. So here it is. So from that I remove this 10,670. So I'll get this one, 135210 minus 10,670. Okay, so I'm getting 124,540. Now average cost method. So here already we know the total cost. Okay, so total cost is total cost is, first average cost is nothing but total cost 135210 divided by total number of units 132. Okay. So that will be 1024.318 HK dollar. So this is the average cost of the unit. Now your inventory has 11 items. Okay, so cost of ending inventory is 1024.318 into 11, that is 1024.318 into 11, so 11,267.5. okay, so HK dollar. So this is my answer in this case. So we did all three. So what was asked in the question? Compute the ending inventory at September 30 and cost of goods sold, FIFO average and all. Prove that amount allocated to the cost of goods sold under each method. Now prove the amount allocated. So just we'll do, for example, take the FIFO method. See, cost of goods sold is this much, right? How we got it? From the total cost, I removed this one. So I got this one. Now there is another way also. Okay, so the other way is we sold a total 121 boards, right? So first in, first out. That means this one. So 23 are sold. So another formula for COGS, okay, cost of goods sold, FIFO. So that is nothing but 23 is sold. So 23 into 970 plus 45 is sold. 45 into 970 plus 20 is sold. 20 into 9. Sorry, this is 1020 plus 20 into 1040. Now finally from the last purchase 44, 33 are sold, 11 are balance. Okay, so 33 are sold. So that's why if you add these three, 23 plus 45 plus 20 plus 33, this total goes to 121 as your sales. Okay, so that's why here you take 43 and 1050. Okay, so let me do this calculation. So already this is known, 22310, and this one is already known, 45900, and this one is also already known, 20800. Now this 33 into 1050, so 33 into 1050 is 34650. Now this I have to add 34650 plus 20,800 plus 45,900 plus 22,310. So I'm getting 123,660. That same 123,660 exactly it was matching with the cost of goods sold calculated earlier. Okay, so this is a proof. Okay, so this what we are getting is 123,660. So this is the same COGS in the FIFO. Okay. The same thing you can do using LIFO. So that I will leave it to you as an exercise. Prove that the COGS is exactly 124540 in this. Okay. So let's discuss the other question. For both FIFO and average cost, calculate sum of ending inventory and cost of goods sold. What do you notice? Okay, what they're asking? Sum of ending inventory and cost of goods sold. So obviously it will match to the total cost. So if I add this 11550 and 123,660, these two will add to this total. Okay, so the answer to this question is the sum of ending inventory and cost of goods sold is nothing but the total cost of inventory. what do you notice about the answers you found for each method? Both answers will be same, and not only those two methods, even LIFO also, it will be same. So I think this concludes this particular problem. So we have already solved, I think, 3 problems on this concept. So now let me go back to the overall thing. See, inventory valuation is the topic. We talked a couple of problems we solved on lower of cost of market, and then ending inventory, LIFO, average cost. We have solved 3 problems, I think. So now this also I will consider as this topic is completed. So again, go through any practice problems, go through any textbook, practice exercise, etc. You try to solve and then try to apply these methods and find the ending inventory and cost of goods. Now let us finally go to the last concept that is there in the inventory valuation, that is inventory turnover and days in the inventory. So again, we will take up 1 or 2 problems and then we will see how to do it. So if you are liking these videos, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any friends who may be interested, please refer these videos to your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video where we will take up this topic, inventory turnover and days in inventory.